In this video, I'm going to show you how to arm and disarm your Solink alarm system in the main Solink platform. To start off, head to the Alarms page and the Alarm Configurations tab. Next, choose a location from the side. Now we can see our alarm controls over here. Let me give you a quick rundown of what each of these controls do. To start off, we can disarm the system indefinitely, or in other words, turn the alarm system off. We can disarm temporarily until the next scheduled period if we have an alarm schedule in place. This is a helpful option if you need to let an employee into the store earlier than usual, or open the store earlier than the scheduled disarm time. We can choose to stick with our alarm schedule and arm or disarm the system based on the hours that we've set. And we do highly recommend to use an alarm schedule so that you can get an alert right away when there's a break-in during scheduled alarm hours, as you can see here. We can arm temporarily until the next scheduled period when the system should disarm according to the alarm schedule. This can be helpful if you close the store early and want to arm the alarm earlier than the usual scheduled hours. And for this last option, this is only available if you're using self-serve alarms, not our monitored alarm service. You can arm 24/7, but we strongly recommend to reach out to our support team to discuss using this option if you need it. You can also access the alarm controls on the iOS and Android apps. Select the Alarm Status tab, then select a shield icon on the right side to open up the alarm controls for that location. If you need more help arming and disarming or setting up an alarm schedule, please reach out to our support team or check out our help center for more information.